We spend a large portion of our budget on clothing, and when you spend that kind of money on your clothing, you want to take good care of it. So some people take it to the cleaners, which can get really, really expensive. You know, a couple of times to the cleaners, and you could have bought another shirt or another garment. Or you throw it in the dryer, but every time you clean out that lint trap, you really don't notice that the stuff that you're throwing away is actually fibers from the clothing that you have. Or you lay it on these cumbersome racks around the house, and there's stackable tables for flat drying, there's draping racks, there's hanging racks, and there's really no need to have all these different racks. We've set out to make one rack that does it all.
The Laundry Butler is an all-in-one product that combines draping, flat drying, and line drying all in one unique, small, compact product.
David and I wanted to come up with a way to improve the way we dry clothes. And Bruce had a drying rack system that we were already using. And so we partnered up, and we felt like together we could make the best product out there.
I started this more than 20 years ago, and I started it in my garage with an idea that I wanted to clean up the laundry day clutter of stuff drying all over my house. I wanted it all in my laundry room. Went to the hardware store, got some PVC, built a rack, and then everybody else wanted one. As I built more and more, I decided, hey, this may have a place in the market. Years later, after launching the product and selling it, I had a customer come to me and they said, we've got a great idea to improve the product you have. Let's make it fit not just sweaters and sweatshirts and your tops, let's make it work for everything. And after working with them about a year on design and creating special clips, creating collar supports and different things like that, we created a system that is unlike any other. It's one system that does everything you air dry.
When I started to use it, I saw the phenomenal results. My clothes looked fabulous. They were nice and straight, without wrinkles, without bumps in the shoulders, and that's the result that I wanted to see.
You know, the Laundry Butler was designed to serve all those that care for their clothes, to help them preserve the life of their clothes for an extended period of time beyond what the normal washer and dryer cycle would do.
If you want to take better care of your clothing, you'll get a product that you'll find you're using every time you do laundry. Your clothing's going to look better, you're going to save money at the cleaners, you're going to end up a very happy customer, I guarantee it.